Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure your AirPods are paired and have power. This prevents sudden disconnects while you change settings. Once paired, open Settings and tap Bluetooth, then the information icon next to your AirPods. You do this because the device menu exposes device-specific options not visible in Control Center. Make sure your phone volume sits around 50% so you can hear adjustments without spikes. This first step readies both hardware and software before you change any accessibility or output settings. Now you switch output explicitly to your AirPods in Control Center or under Sounds and Haptics so audio routes correctly. Then check for volume limit in Settings right arrow Music. If a limit is active, turn it off because it caps maximum playback regardless of physical buttons. Also, turn Sound Check off and tweak EQ presets to increase perceived loudness. Bass-heavy or V-shaped EQs often sound louder. Once done, use the physical volume buttons to confirm your AirPods respond as expected. To finish, test audio across apps and use both media and call volumes because some apps manage their own levels. This helps you find if it's app-specific. If volume is still too low, restart your phone and reconnect the AirPods to clear transient software states. If that fails, reset your AirPods by holding the case button until the light flashes amber then white. This restores defaults that often fix profile or firmware glitches. Troubleshooting tip: if only one AirPod is quiet, clean the speaker mesh and reseat it in the ear to ensure proper contact.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.